Ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saeed Ahmed, and I am a writer of a few books on Punjabi Sufi poets. There's the series, well known series, Great Sufi Wisdom, from Baba Farid Chakr Ganj to Khaja Ghulam Farid. So I authored these books, 7 books. Plus, there is a book, Our Folk Wisdom, Wisdom of Punjab, our villages wisdom. I am now 69 years old. I taught economics subject in Government College of Commerce, Rawalpindi, almost 31 years, roughly. But later on, I just devoted myself toward Punjabi, and Punjabi Sufi poetry, especially Saif al-Muluk, a well-known book written by Hazrat Mian Muhammad Bakhsh. So, the echo of linguistics in the light of Punjabi Sufi poetry refers to how words, sounds, expressions in Punjabi Sufi poetry reflect deeper spiritual meanings. Punjabi poetry is full of nature. Even if you just open the book Saif al-Muluk, the first page, the first verse, Rahmat Dami Pa Khudaya, Baag Suka Kar Haraya. O God, shower the rain of your water of blessing, and the dry, your drought stricken garden, turn that into green. So, from very beginning, if you go to the whole book, which contains 9,249 couplets, very famous book, Saif al-Muluk. That's in Punjabi language. The whole book is full of those metaphors, as he himself said, that each and every verse or couplet of this book that has mystic secrets. हर बैते विच रमद फकर दी जे तू समझ अंदर दी गल सुना मोहम्मद बख्शा आशिक ते दिल भरती. Each and every couplet has mystic secrets. But if you are inside enlightened, he says that we are talking about Ashik and Dilbar. That's a lover, Saif al-Muluk, the prince from Egypt, and the Dilbar, Badul Jamal Shahpari from Shahrastan, or Iram garden, Baghe Iram. So this is actually a metaphor. Ashik, Saif al-Muluk, or Ishq. And the Shahpari, that is the target, that is the going to achieve, to seek. As in Saif al-Muluk Mian Sahib says also, कि ढूंढण वाला रहा ना खाली ढूंढ की जे सच्ची. Whosoever seeks, if he seeks truthfully, he will seek. That also says man talaba shay'an jadda fawajada. जिन्हें जो कुछ लभ्या, whosoever wants, whatever wants to seek, struggle for that, he gets that. So this book is full of metaphors. In the book, there are mountains, there are deserts, ocean,